In 1920s Detroit, Henry Ford's assembly line revolutionized car production. But why do chicken coops have 2 doors? Because if they had 4, they'd be chicken sedans. This joke emerged as Ford's Model T became a household name. The automobile's rise sparked a cultural shift, with families trading horse-drawn carriages for cars. As cars gained popularity, so did humor about them. This joke reflects the era's fascination with innovation and the quirky ways people adapted to change. It reminds us how humor can capture the spirit of an age. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.